Hi, my name is Doug Breitbart. I'd like to share with you some details about the Wild Sanctuary project with which I have been involved. Bernie Krause is a PhD bioacoustician and one of the fathers in the field. His doctorate involved development of what he referred to as the niche hypothesis. And the niche hypothesis says that all of the creatures that you find in a particular biome in a particular location around the world are there because they were able to find available frequency bandwidth to hear each other internally to their species. When you look at a sound recording of a biome as a soundscape, what you see is the equivalent of nature's orchestral score, from the lowest frequencies of the amphibians and the mammals to the highest frequencies of the insects. That soundscape is unique for every location, natural wild location around the world. From 1968 to the present, Bernie Krause recorded in the most remote natural locations around the globe. Over that period of time, he captured the living voice of the planet in those locations. Sir Richard Leakey, in his last book, The Sixth Extinction, basically explained that the fossil record of the Earth suggests if 80% of the species are eradicated or materially damaged, a global extinction becomes inevitable and everything will die. From 1968 to the present, Dr. Krause's recordings reflect in 1,500 locations around the world that 50% of those locations are now silent. We do not know how close or far away we are from that tipping point. And biology does not follow mathematical and linear progressions. So, when we see in the newspaper articles about bees dying, amphibians dying, and shark populations precipitously dropping in the world's oceans, these are harbingers of a potentially horrendous convergence with that 80% tipping point. Today we seem to be preoccupied with monitoring, tracking, and creating economies around minerals, specifically carbon. I believe that there is an opportunity, using current technology, to create an acoustic monitoring network on a global basis that in real time could tell us, based on changes in the soundscape, in what remaining wild territories still exist, about environmental damage being done sufficiently quickly for there to be an intervention and prevention of biome loss. The Wild Sanctuary project, reflected on my resume, was about a proposed bioacoustic research center being established at Purdue University in service to creating that global acoustic monitoring network. I hope by sharing this with you, I give you a sense both of past work and endeavors and who I am. Thank you.